The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated compact cameras and handheld gimbals ever, even before its official announcement. After the success of the Pocket 3, creators everywhere, vloggers, travel filmmakers, solo YouTubers, are expecting something extraordinary. Leaked images, insider reports, and certification filings suggest the Pocket 4 isn't just an incremental upgrade, it's a major leap forward. Rumors point to a larger 1-inch main sensor around 50 megapixels, offering better low-light performance, dynamic range, and more cinematic footage. There may even be a secondary camera for vertical and social media-friendly shooting, making it perfect for YouTube Shorts, Reels, or TikTok. Design-wise, the Pocket 4 keeps its compact vertical form, small enough for your pocket but refined with extra physical buttons for quick access to recording, autofocus, and gimbal modes. Despite more powerful internals, it's expected to weigh under 200 grams, keeping it comfortable for long shoots. Video specs are impressive. Leaks suggest up to 6K at 60 FPS, improved stabilization with DJI's mechanical gimbal, and smarter tracking for fast-moving subjects. Audio hasn't been overlooked either, with a potential 4-microphone array for cleaner, wind-reduced sound, great for outdoor vlogging or interviews. Battery life sees a boost too, with around 1,545 mAh capacity, and fast charging support ensures you can keep shooting on the go. The touchscreen and interface are expected to be more intuitive than ever, with gesture controls, quick gimbal mode switching, and refined menus. Pricing rumors suggest $500 to $600 for the standard version, with creator bundles adding accessories like wireless mics, wide-angle lenses, and extended grips. Launch could come late 2025 or early 2026, based on leaks and certification patterns. If these specs hold up, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 could be DJI's most powerful, versatile, and portable gimbal camera ever, perfect for vloggers, creators, and filmmakers who want cinematic results without carrying a bulky setup.